destroy them until a member of the city council said, well, wait, I have property. This is a property that is owned by the city, by a member of the city council. He said, store them on my property. If we find a good use for them, we'll use them. If you find a good use for them, you can use them. But for right now, don't destroy them, save them. So, that's what we did. Okay, so I want to point out something, guys. We were talking last night.
Hey, Bill.
Yeah. No.
Oh, come on.
You can either pose and get a bad picture, or not pose and get a really bad picture.
As Dave Reamer pointed out, I am apparently getting a little too thick for pictures these days.
Well, see, you just don't move fast.
Oh, sad.
Remember,
Very cool. Jenna? Carlos, you guys want to see this? Yeah.
Hey, I got it anyway.
Okay, first of all, even though it's relatively thin, this is incredibly stout. So I just love this device. It's 4,000 psi. Integrated into this, you can see the cut on. There's the rebar. There's other fibers in there you can see. We have some pictures that we can send to you about when we wrecked it out. It's an incredible mesh of steel. Now remember we were talking about how they would coat the inside with a sort of this polymer slurry, and then when it stopped spinning, there it sat, and you can see this runs the entire length. It's it is a slurry, it is a concrete. And so when they tried to place these things, I like that effect. When they tried to place these things, they found that their cranes occasionally were undersized, and that we couldn't figure out why. Well, we finally figured out when we cut this open and saw this, like, well, there's a few thousand pounds worth of concrete right there.
And all on one side, too.
All on one side, exactly. So what happened is they'd pick one, get their protocol as far as, oh, okay, well, that's how it behaves, and get it into the hole, pick up the next one, and it would behave differently because the weight was distributed, so it was a goofy thing. But so to me, two important things was I was impressed with how stout these things were. Like I said, I was skeptical. I was thinking of a concrete eggshell, but these things are pretty solid. And secondly, what was interesting is that quality control issue as far as we're concerned. I mean, it doesn't affect the structural integrity, but it certainly does indicate we need to make sure that Valmont is aware of that going forward, because we're going to be ordering a lot more of these tools for other projects.
Well, there's no sense wasting concrete.
Yeah, exactly. If you're thinking, they could use that for the next structure, and